And hello there, Kamen Rider fans and folks. This is Mixerwars, and welcome to another episode of Mixerwars Unboxings. And what we have here is another Figure-rise standard kit. This time it's Mass Rider Ryuki. So first off, if we see the box, actually the box is big because it contains both the rider and his mirror beast, Drag Rider. So first up on the box art, this is when Master Rider Ryuki does his final vent, wherein he summons Drag Rider and does a power up before doing a rider kick. On the side here we have Ryuki himself and Drag Rider. Wow, that is a long mirror beast here. And we can see the other options that we could do with Ryuki and combining Ryuki with some parts of Drag Rider. Yep, that's Rider Ryuki. And we have here more information. Actually, this here is taken from the series. So more information on how this was done and how this was developed. Okay, now let's get opening to the box. So right up, actually, first and foremost, I would just like to actually thank Hobby Toys Laguna. Thank you for this sticker, sir. And this is where I got the kit actually. So we have one plate here, all silver. Most parts would be of Drag Rider, but we also have some parts of Ryuki here. Another plate here, actually one bag with two sprues or two plates, and hey, it's some sort of metallic red. You know, yeah. And yeah. So this is for Drag Rider and this one is for Kamen Rider Ryuki, the black parts. Another bag, more parts for Drag Rider. Oh, actually, and more parts for Kamen Rider Ryuki. Another one, we have some ABS parts here. More parts for Ryuki and more parts for Drag Rider here. Oh, we have a stand and of course, the cards that Ryuki used. Some gold parts for Drag Rider. More gold parts for Drag Rider and oh, Ryuki's visor. And we have here more parts for Ryuki and the standard Figure-rise standard base and a very big sheet of stickers. And finally, yes, we have the instruction manual here. Yep. Wherein we can see we can build both Ryuki and Drag Rider. Now let's take a look at the sprues one by one. So first up, we have the A plate here. Actually, yeah, the A plate, which is for the Figure-rise standard stand. We also have here the A1 plate, which is actually the silver parts of both the rider and his mirror beast Drag Rider. We also have here the B1 plate, which consists primarily or all of its parts is for Ryuki. Actually, I do see some parts for Drag Rider here. And we have a B2 plate here, a continuation one of the B1 plate. More parts for the rider and some more parts for Drag Rider, I think. We also have a C1 plate, which is the black parts of Kamen Rider Ryuki, and a C2 plate, more black parts for Ryuki. We then have a D1 plate, which is more of parts for Drag Rider and, sorry about that, two D2 plates, more parts for Drag Rider. And we have here an E1 and two E2 plates. These are actually the gold trimmings that we can see on Drag Rider. We also have a F plate, which is for the visor of Ryuki. Some ABS plate sprue. I think this is for the joints. We do also have a CE1, two CE1 plates. This will be the stand for that would support drag rudder or other armaments for Ryuki. We have here the cards, the vent cards that Ryuki uses. And here we have the very, very big sticker sheet for Kamen Rider Ryuki and Drag Rider. Most of the stickers is actually for Drag Rider. So, this is what we have, folks, inside the box of the Firgure-rise Standard Mask Rider Decade. So if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, leaving a like, leaving a comment, and viewing other videos. And until next time, see you!